Hello everybody, welcome to SolidWorks 2017. In this video we are going to learn arc command and polygon command. This is our plane. First I will take my arc command. There is a arc command. There are three arc command: center point, tangent and 3 point. First I will take center point command. Click anywhere and drag your mouse and click again. So you will create now arc and give the dimension here. From here the radius 50, and now I will take second command, but first create a corner rectangle, tangent arc, click here and click here. So you may see here there is a relation that is called tangent, so it create tangent arc. Okay, this is called tangent arc, and the third one is 3-point arc. You have to click 3 times here, first time, and drag your mouse, second time, and then you will give the radius here, and you can give also dimension again here. The radius is 100 millimeter. Okay, this is our arc command, and the polygon command is here. We will create now polygon. Take the command and click anywhere and drag it now, and there is a number of the edge of the polygon. There are 6 edge. You can increase and decrease from here. Decrease 5, 4, and I can also increase from here 7, 8, and mostly we use 6 edges. Okay, and you can give the dimension from here 200 and leave the command, click here and vertical. So this is our polygon command. This is very easy and so simple. Thank you so much everybody to watch my video, and please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video. Thank you so much.